I said a prayer last night. Dear God, I bought my home so I could overlook downtown Cincinnati. For half of my life, I lived over there in Ohio, in Cincinnati, and I was been a proud Reds and Bengals. Hell, even Stingers if you want to go back. Never knew the Royals, but my dad did. But was proud of my town and where I'm from. And when I became a man, I was able to buy this great home to overlook downtown Cincinnati, $1 million view. To look at the two wonderful stadiums of the Reds and the Bengals. Then I prayed last night, dear God, I'm so tired of looking at that Bengals stadium of our taxpayers, because I lived over there and voted for it when it happened. A lot of good and hard-earned money that we all put in towards that for these whiny-ass millionaires who have no regard to the wonderful blessings of being born in this country. These wussy-ass NFL guys. What bothers me is I'm a veteran. A true veteran of the American military, who these gentlemen choose not to stand up for in our flag. Yet they always talk about their big canton patting each other on the back about the great veterans of the NFL. Great veterans. Well, you know what? My opinion, there's not really true many veterans in the NFL. For we know what happened to the one gentleman in Pittsburgh who stood up by himself. My salute goes to you. I wish the NFL would quit calling themselves veterans. I don't think being in the trenches of football equates being shot at. I played football. I play football any day of the week besides going to Desert Storm, Desert Shield. What other, in each uprising our military have shown up from the Revolutionary War to today. Yet these guys call themselves vets. I think us, as true vets, should stand up against, the only vet is a military vet. How dare the NFL call themselves vets? Thank you, God, for making this Bengals stadium disappear. At least I'll watch this fake snowstorm, this God rolled in mist as my omen, so I can have a night out. I'm not freezing. It's not cold. Hell, it's not even falling on me, this fake snow. Yet, there it is. But where's the Bengals? You know what? The NFL can keep its money. They can keep I'm not buying no more jerseys. I'm getting rid of them, as you know. And I believe that Sundays should be made for the home family league now. Not the NFL. Not for those crybabies. How dare them call themselves a vet. Thank you, God, for sending in this holy mist to block out that un-American. Next thing they'll take, because they don't want to pray to God either, or there's not a God. This world's going to hell. Sharia law next, pedophiles, bestiality. How much more do we got to change or make society aware? How much times do we got to bend over the 1%? The 1%. There's transgender, 1%. We're taking masculinity. We're going to cut off our dicks next? I guess that's what's going to happen. They're totally emasculating the males. In the NFL, you're supposed to be a bastion. You have been